Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you important things that you have to be aware of about the FundingPips and the pros and cons and also how the whole challenge works. So here what you're going to find three platforms: CTrader, MatchTrader and MT5. You're going to find Forex, metals, indices, energies and crypto for like what you can actually like trade. And then you're going to have the payout policies that are like very important. So there you're going to have bi-weekly payouts, 95% profit split. And when you're gonna have the one step here, so the one step is a weekly payouts every Tuesday, 80% profit split, and two step is weekly 60% and bi-weekly 80% and monthly 100%. So here you see how that works. Now you have an option to have zero challenge types. If you want, I can make like a complete video where I would like compare all of these and what these means and what kind of things that you have to be kind of aware of. Then you can have also one step and two step challenge, and there you're gonna have like FundingPips or FundingPips Pro, and there is also change in like the structure. So let's say, for example, the one step here, if you like choose it, you see the profit target. This is like a student, you're gonna have like a 10%, maximum loss 6%, maximum daily loss 3%. And trading days minimum that are like 3 days. And now for the two step, as you can see that, let's say we're gonna go for both, we're gonna have 25k, and you see right here the maximal is 10%, here is 6%. Also the profitability is profit target is 2k, and here you have 2.5k. So here you see like few differences if you want to go also with the two step. And then you can have also the two-step pro, and there's also changes for the data. What you can also even do, like take this screenshot to ChatGPT and just like ask it. So what are the daily loss? This is like very important. You can see it in one step and two step that you have maximum daily loss only 3%. That means is that not a single loss can exceed 3% of the account. Opening multiple trades on the same pair counts as a one trade risk. Now you are allowed between your own FundingPips accounts to trade, but you are not only like external copying is risky. News trading is like evaluation is allowed, but when you're gonna have funded stage, profits won't count if trade was opened 5 hours before the news or closed 5 minutes before after news. So this is for one step, two step, and pro. And for the FundingPips 0, you're not allowed to trade based on the news. Weekend holds, so not allowed for the 0, but for the other you can. And then you're gonna have also allowed if EA is a risk manager or trade manager only, but third-party trading EAs are not. You need to place one trade every 30 days and must have 7 profitable days every 30 days. So you can do the gap trading, service spamming, latency arbitrage, hedging, long short arbitrage, reverse arbitrage, server exploitation, and opposite account trading. So yeah, the thing is like what you have to be aware of, like if you would go with the maximum daily loss 3% rule, also the strict news restriction, and the instant account got kind of like many limitations that you have to be aware of, and only 30-day inactivity window. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.